This cook-in-home non-stick saute fry pan is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It measures 8 inches. A good size for cooking meals for 1 or 2 people. The pan has a special surface so food does not stick easily. This non-stick feature makes cooking simpler and cleaning up a breeze. You can saute copyright vegetables or fry your favorite foods without much oil. The cook-in-home non-stick saute fry pan is made with hard anodized aluminum. This material is strong and heats up evenly, so your food cooks well without hot spots. The black color gives it a professional look, fitting in any kitchen. It also has a stay cool handle. This handle helps you hold the pan safely while cooking, even at high temperatures. Cleaning the cook-in-home non-stick saute fry pan is also easy because it is dishwasher safe. This saves you time and effort after you finish cooking. Although it is tough, it is not heavy like some pans. It feels balanced in your hand, making cooking comfortable. This pan can be a great addition to your kitchen set, especially if you enjoy easy and quick cooking. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy food release, simple to clean, even heat, durable, stay cool handle, comfortable grip, dishwasher safe, oven safe, to 400 degrees F, versatile stovetop use, corrosion resistant, won't react to acid. Cons: non-stick may degrade, aluminum body, not for high heat, handle not removable, smaller cooking area, can't use metal tools, may not last very long, uneven heating. Possible features: non-stick saute fry pan 8 inch, professional, hard anodized, frying pan, dishwasher safe, stay cool handles, black, cook-in-home. This cook-in-home 8 inch fry pan is great for cooking many types of food. It has a non-stick surface, so food will not stick, and it is easy to clean. The pan is made of strong metal that heats up evenly. It can go in the dishwasher and has a handle that stays cool when you are cooking. This black pan is professional quality and will help you cook your meals easily. This 8 inch cook-in-home non-stick frying pan is made of aluminum for even heating and easy cleaning. Thanks to its non-stick surface, it has a stay cool handle with a comfortable grip and is dishwasher and oven safe up to 400 degrees F. This pan is versatile for all stovetops, except induction, resists corrosion, and won't react to acidic foods. However, the non-stick coating may wear out over time. It's not meant for very high heat. The handle cannot be removed. It has a smaller cooking area, and metal tools should not be used, which could lead to uneven heating.